power of defensive driving, a lifesaver on the roads. Defensive driving has become more than just a buzzword in road safety. It is a crucial practice that continues to save countless lives. At the core of defensive driving is the principle of anticipation. Drivers are trained to foresee potential hazards and react proactively rather than reactively. This approach can dramatically reduce accidents, protect passengers, and make roads safer for everyone. According to recent statistics from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, areas with higher adoption rates of defensive driving programs have seen a marked decrease in traffic-related incidents. Central to effective defensive driving is maintaining focus on the road, keeping safe distances from other vehicles, and adhering strictly to traffic laws. Experts emphasize that distractions such as mobile phones, loud music, or even intense conversations with passengers can significantly impair one's ability to drive defensively. Moreover, understanding how different weather conditions affect vehicle control plays a significant role. Drivers who adjust their speed and increase following distances during rain or snowstorms contribute substantially to overall road safety. Driving schools across the nation are increasingly incorporating defensive driving courses into their curriculum. These programs are designed not only for new drivers, but also for seasoned motorists looking to refresh their skills. Insurance companies recognize this trend by offering discounts on premiums for those who complete certified defensive driving courses, further incentivizing safe practices behind the wheel. As communities continue advocating for safer streets amidst rising vehicular populations, embracing defensive driving emerges as an indispensable tool in curbing roadway fatalities and promoting responsible behavior among drivers.